Dana, did you see Jamahal Hill's reaction to the main event?
Yeah, who the fuck let that guy sit in our front row? I mean, this fucking guy might just be the most delusional motherfucker on our roster right now.
He says he deserves a title shot next, Dana. What do you think?
Here's what we'll do. We'll do Jamahal Hill versus Khalil. Yeah, if he makes it out alive, we might give him the winner of Wahlberg and Oosteme.
I mean, he is a former champion, though.
Yeah, I don't give a shit. The only fucking reason this guy even got a title shot is because Yuri got injured and fucking Ankalaev and Jan fought a boring fucking fight that ended in a draw. Yeah, no, this guy's absolutely positively not fucking fighting for the belt. It's Khalil versus Jamahal next. Good luck, buddy.